Hi everyone, I am Rosaline Anita from Tribhulam College of Nursing. Today I am going to present Anatomy of Ear. Objectives: Introduction, the function of the ear, parts of the ear, external ear and its function, middle ear and its function, inner ear and its function, nerve supply of ear, summary and conclusion. Introduction. The ear is an important sensory organ responsible for hearing and maintaining balance in the human body. It receives sound waves from the environment and converts them into electrical signals that are interpreted by the brain. Structurally, the ear is divided into three main parts: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The external ear collects sound waves and directs them towards the eardrum. The middle ear contains three small bones called ossicle that amplify sound vibrations. The inner ear includes the cochleae for hearing and the vestibular system for balance. Together, these parts work in coordination to enable hearing and maintain body equilibrium. Anatomy of the ear. So, the ear is the organ responsible for hearing and balance. It is divided into three parts: external, middle ear, and inner ear. So, the functions of the ear: collection of the sound waves, transmission of sound vibrations, conversion of sound waves into nerve impulses, maintenance of body balance, and posture. Coming to the auricle, that is pinna. It is the outer part of the ear. It is visible part of the ear. It is made up of elastic cartilage covered by skin. So the main parts are helix, antihelix, lobule, targus. So the functions of the auricle is collects sound waves. It helps in sound localization. The parts of the ear is divided into three: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. So the external ear collects sound waves and directs them towards the tympanic membrane. So the parts of the external ear: auricle, pinna, external auditory canal, tympanic membrane, eardrum. So the external auditory canal is length about 2.5 centimeter. Extends from auricle to tympanic membrane. It is lined by skin with air and ceruminous glands. So the functions of external auditory canal: conducts sound waves, cerumen, that is earwax, protect the ear. Coming to the tympanic membrane, that is eardrum. So it is thin oval membrane, separates the external ear from the middle ear, vibrates when sound waves strike it. The function of the tympanic membrane, that is eardrum, is converts sound waves into mechanical vibrations. Coming to the middle ear. So the middle ear is an air-filled cavity in the temporal bone. It is also called as tympanic cavity. It contains auditory ossicles, eustachian tube, and oval window and round window. Auditory ossicles: three small bones: malleus hammer, incus anvil, stapes striap. The functions are amplify and transmit sound vibration to inner ear. Eustachian tube: it connects middle ear to the nasopharynx. It maintains equal air pressure on both sides of eardrum. The functions are equalize pressures and drains middle ear secretions. Coming to the inner ear, it is also called labyrinth. It is located in the temporal bone, concerned with hearing and balance. It is divided into bony labyrinth and membraneous labyrinth. So the bony labyrinth consists of cochleae, vestibule, semicircular canals filled with perilimb. And coming to the cochleae, it is a spiral shaped structure concerned with the hearing, contains organ of Corti. The functions of cochleae are convert sound vibrations into nerve impulses. Coming to the vestibule, central part of the inner ear, it contains utricle sacculae, The functions are maintains the static balance position of the head. Coming to the semicircular canals. The three canals are anterior, posterior and lateral. The functions are maintain the dynamic balance, that is movement of the head. Coming to the membraneous labyrinth, it is located within body labyrinth, within bony labyrinth filled with endolimb. Contains sensory receptors for hearing and balance. Nerve supply of the ear. It is auditory nerve, eighth cranial nerve is divided into the cochlear nerve, that is hearing, vestibular nerve is the balance. So coming to the summary, ear has three parts: external, middle and inner ear. External ear collects the sounds, middle ear amplifies the sound, inner ear converts sound into nerve impulses and maintain balance. Conclusions. The ear is a complex sensory organ responsible for hearing and balance. Proper understanding of its anatomy helps in diagnosing and managing ear related disorders. These are the references. Thank you.